Welcome students. So our today's topic is integers. Before getting into integers, let us discuss some other numbers like whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? Numbers starting from 0 and so on. These are whole numbers. Any number like 2, 4, 6, 9, etc. all are whole numbers. Numbers from 0 to positive infinity are whole numbers. So next are our natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 and so on till positive infinity. So what is the difference between whole number and natural numbers? The only difference between whole numbers and natural numbers is that 0 comes in whole numbers but not in natural numbers. So in the daily life, we come to know about some other numbers too. Example, minus 45, minus 2 and many other numbers in front of whose minus sign is there. So where these numbers are included? These are not included in whole numbers, neither in natural numbers. So these numbers are included in integers, which is our today's topic. But this doesn't mean that only negative numbers are included in integers. Integers are the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Now, if we talk about a number, let us say 65, it is a positive number. This is also included in whole numbers, also in natural numbers and also in integers. So this doesn't mean that if a number is an integer, it can't be a whole number or natural number. But if we talk about 0, 0 is a whole number. It is also included in integers, but 0 is not natural number. So if we talk about minus 2, minus 2 is not included in whole numbers because whole numbers are positive numbers, nor in natural numbers, but minus 2 is included in integers, as integers are the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So now it is clear that integers are the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So the next topic in the chapter is number line. So let's draw a number line and then we'll discuss about it. First draw a line and center part 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive number. Now after putting 0 on this line, the line is divided into two parts, that is right side and left side. So on the left side we will have all our negative numbers, on the right side we will have our positive numbers. Now when we will plot the numbers on this number line, there will always come 1 after 0 and minus 1 on the left side. 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on till infinity. So this is a number line. Now how the questions come on the number line? The question can be like this: plot a number or integer on the number line. Suppose we have to plot 4 on a number line. So how will you plot the 4 on number line? First of all, your first step would be to draw a number line. Then you have to plot 4 on the number line. So this is the 4. . take another question. You have to plot minus 6 on the number line. So here, first we will draw a number line. So here we need to plot minus 6. That means we need more negative numbers than positive numbers. So we will start from here. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Always remember that while drawing a number line, on the left side we have to plot minus numbers and on the right side we have to plot positive numbers. So here we have to plot minus 6. So here we have our minus 6. So when we have to plot negative integers, we have to plot them on the left of the 0, and when we have to plot positive integers on the number line, we have to plot them on the right side of the 0. And other questions can be like this, that you may have a question that list the integers that lies between minus 2 and 2. So the number of integers that lies between 2 and minus 2 here are minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is all about what integers are and how to plot numbers on number line. So our next topic is adding using number line. Now how we will add numbers using number line, let's see. But before, how you will know that you have to add it or subtract in the questions by reading them. So in questions you will get words like more, less. More means you have to add and less means you have to subtract. Before starting questions, there is one more thing to know, as we have two numbers 4 and 5. Here it is clear that 5 is greater than 4. In positive numbers, this one is greater. But when we have negative numbers, example minus 4 and minus 5, here minus 4 is greater than minus 5, because in negative numbers, the smaller value, example minus 4, is always greater than minus 5. It is just opposite to positive numbers. Now let us take a question. 2 more than 3. We have to add this using number line. First of all, we have to draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So, what is our question? 2 more than 3. So, from where we have to start? We have to start from 3. So, how much more than 3? 2 more than 3. So, this is our 3 and 2 more than 3. 1, 2. So, where we have 5. 5 is 2 more than 3. One thing more, you have to know that when there will be question that 3 more than 5 or anything that is more than, means you have to add in that number, then you have to go to right side of the number line, and when it is mentioned less, then you have to move on to left side of the number line. For example, 2 more than minus 4. Let's draw a number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3. So from where we have to start? from -4, as our question is 2 more than -4. So where is our -4? Here we have a -4. So what we have to do? 2 more than. More means we have to move on to right side of the number line. That is 1 and 2. So what is our answer? 2 more than -4, that is -2. Always remember, whether they are negative numbers or positive integers, when the question asks more, you have to go to right side, and when it is mentioned less, you have to go to left side. So this is all about adding integers on number line. Let's move on to our next topic, subtracting using number line. Here we have a number line. Let us take example to understand how to do subtraction using number line. Here our question is 3 less than 2. What our question says? 3 less than 2. So in this number line, here it is 2, and from here the question is 3 less than 2. Remember, when less word is used, we have to move left side in the number line. So from here to how many steps we have to move on the left side? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. That is -1. So 3 less than 2 is equal to -1. Let us take another example. 5 less than 7. Let us draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the left side -1, -2. So our question is 5 less than 7. From where we have to start? From 7. Here we are having our 7. How many steps we have to go left side? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2. 5 less than 7 is 2. So our answer here is 2. This is how we do subtraction using number line. Let's move to our next topic, solving integers using number line. Till now you have studied how to perform addition, subtraction using number line. Now here let us take example. If you have question 9 plus -6, how will you solve this question using number line? So let us draw a number line first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4. Here we are having question 9 plus -6. So from where we have to start? 9. First of all, we have to go to 9 here. And from here, we are having plus -6. The number we are having is negative. And minus means moving left side on the number line. So how many steps we have to move here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 3. 9 plus -6 is equals to 3. This is how we solve integers using number line. Let's take another number example, that is -5 plus 10. Here we are having negative number first. Let us draw a number line. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we are having first? -5. So let we go to -5. From here, what we have to do? We have to add 10. That is, how many steps we have to move from -5? 10 steps. But which side? Right or left? We have to move it to right side. Why? Because it is our positive number. We have to add this. What we have learned before, when we have to add any number on a number line, we move on the right side of the number line. So let us move 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is our answer? 5. That is -5 plus 10 is equals to 5. Now next topic. Our next topic is adding, subtracting integers without number line. So let's see. Here are some rules which we have to learn before starting the questions. If first number is positive and second number is negative, you have to subtract them. If first number is negative, second is positive, then also you have to subtract them. Means to say, if you have one number negative and other positive, while solving them, the operation performed will be subtraction. And when it will be addition? When both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative. Then you will perform addition. But there is a rule which sign you will use after performing these operations. This sign used is of greater number. Let us take an example. Here we are having -5 plus 7. So what we will do here? First number is negative, other is positive. So we will perform subtraction here. -5 plus 7 is equals to 2. Here 2 will be negative or positive, depends on the sign of greater value of our question. So in this, among both these, 7 is greater, so 7 is positive. That's why our answer is -2. Let us take another example. If we are having -7 plus 4, so here also our first number is negative, second is positive. The operation performed will be subtraction. When we subtract 7 from 4 from 7, the answer will be 3, but here our answer will be -3. Why? Because the greater value in our question is 7 and 7 is negative. So our answer will also come in negative value. Let us take some more examples to clear this. 11 plus 6, that is 17. 11 plus -6, that is 11 minus 6, 5. Now -11 plus -6. Here we are having both our numbers in negative. So we have studied just now that if both the numbers are in negative, then we perform addition. That is -11 plus -6 is 17, but it will be -17 as both the numbers are in negative and a greater value is also in negative. Let us take some examples of subtractions too. Our first question is 11 minus 6, that is 5. If we have 11 minus 6, so here minus in minus becomes plus, that is 11 plus 6 is equals to 17. If we have another question, that is minus 11 minus 6. So here minus 11, this minus in minus becomes plus. 11 minus 6, that is 5, but here our 5 will be negative, that is minus 5. Why? Because greater value among these two is 11 and this is negative. What we have learned, that our answer sign depend upon the greater value in the question. This is all that's in this chapter. Hope all the topics are clear to you. Let's meet in next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you.